every one of you watching this screen, look out. Because soon, very soon, the most horrifying monster menace ever conceived will be oozing into this theater.
Whoa. Okay, let's slow it down a bit. How about we just go ahead and restart this? Isn't it just beautiful, folks? Welcome to How Volcanoes Form and Why They Erupt. Volcanoes usually form where two tectonic plates meet. Tectonic plates are the upper layer of the Earth's crust that fit together like a puzzle piece. They often move around and bump into one another. When two tectonic plates collide, they create a convergent plate boundary. Oftentimes, the heavier plate will slide underneath the lighter plate and create a subduction zone, which is basically a huge trench. The friction from the collision will cause the Earth's mantle to heat up and become molten magma. The magma rises up to the Earth's surface and creates active volcanoes. Over millions of years, the magma seeps through the Earth's surface and forms layer upon layer of hardened lava, which eventually create the classic cone-shaped volcanoes that we all know and love. Volcanoes can also form when two tectonic plates move away from one another. This is known as a divergent plate. Divergent plates usually occur deep underwater in the Pacific Ocean. When the two plates begin to separate, the friction from the movement again heats up the Earth's crust and creates magma, which begins to rise to the surface, but is cooled down by the water. The cooled magma eventually piles up and creates ridges on the ocean floor. The great explosions that we see when volcanoes erupt are caused by two things: density and pressure. Magma is less dense than solid rock, so it begins to rise to the surface of the Earth from the upper mantle. The magma is so hot that it dissolves gas and creates gas bubbles. The gas bubbles create so much pressure that it helps force the magma out to the surface of the Earth, where it erupts in a show of red hot lava.